Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix League of Legends. Sorry, we detected a problem with your installation. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser, and then on Google you just need to write Hectech Repair Tool. It will be probably the first link, automatic troubleshooting by Support League of Legends, Riot Games official website. So just download it for Windows here, and after you download it, and just open up, and it will be similar window like I'm seeing here right now, right? And then you just need to select these two options here and press start, right? So you can see here it's starting, checking everything here, and we need to wait for a couple of seconds until basically everything will be finished. You can see here it's gathering logs and doing a bunch of different things. So probably I will pause the video. After it's completed, I will basically put it again. Yeah, so as you can see here, your gathered logs can be found on desktop in the lol folder here, right? And after you do so, then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to change League compatibility settings. And to do so, on search, you just need to write League of Legends, open file location, then again here, open file location, then select Riot Games, League of Legends, Games, and then it will be League of Legends exe file. Right click on it, go to Properties, Compatibility. Make sure you run in this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7, Windows 8, and if you're running with the Windows 8, then tick this option off, and then select disable full screen optimizations as well. And after that, you need to look if the problem persists or not. And the next thing that you can do here is to basically reset League without deleting it, right? So you just need to go to the Riot Games folder as well, and then rename it to whatever you like, but I will put extra letter here. And then you just need to open up Riot Client or League of Legends here. We need to wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. Just remember to rename League's folder here. And then once it's done here, you just need to press on it here, and it will be here install file, install League of Legends. So you just need to press expand this option, and then we'll press install, and then press already installed, and then you need to look for the folder here and select OK, right? And as you can see here, now it's updating, but it's not installing the game. And after update is completed, then you need to look if the problem persists or not, but it probably should be fixed, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.